Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Peter Pan on Dress to Impress. Let's remove everything except for the accessory adjustments as per usual. Okay. For the hair I used the swirly hair in CF5D23, positioned it as the 0.51. Then I used this hat in this color 29460A, positioned the Y.48 Z.58, the rotation X at 0.62 and scaled it to 0.39. Then I would get this feather in that color, CF250A, position the Y.67 Z.71, rotate the X to 0.7, Y.78 Z.65 and scaled it to 0.19. And then for the belt, I used this one in the first toggle in all brown, positioned the Y.59 Z.46, rotate the same, scale it to 0.43. For the pants, I used these pants in this color 29470B in matte, and then for this shirt I just used this in like a green. I made it a little bit lighter, maybe this color. Oh, I did save it. 959511. I'll make it a little bit darker than that. And then I used this skirt in that same green color, as well as this one. Wait, let me color match this first and save that. Like this. And then for the shoes, I used this in this color C49128, or I think this one actually, in silk. So FFA628 in silk for all of that. And then we're just going to get the sword for the prop here. Whoops, in that gold color and then in brown, because it's like a wood sword. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.